Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you if you are trying to turn on your laptop but it's not working. You can see. So in this case, I will show you the charger is connected but I am unable to turn on my laptop. So in this case, what you have to do is unplug all the wires and all the USB connectors. You can see I'm using a wireless mouse, so I will unplug this USB as well, and now unplug your charger. Okay, then remove your laptop battery as well. I will remove my laptop battery. Now first you have to remove all the wires, connectors and your battery as well. Remove everything. Remove your charger as well. Unplug your charger and now press and hold the power key for 20 seconds. It will release all the stored electricity. Press and hold the key for 20 seconds. Now release. Okay. Now what you have to do is plug in your charger. Don't use the battery now, only plug your charger. Okay, now try to switch on your laptop. And you can see now it's turning on. To continue, press F1 key. So press F1 key and you can see now it's working. So this is a simple trick you can apply if your laptop is not turning on, totally dead. So what I will do is next I will turn off my laptop and plug my battery again. Now wait till the laptop is now totally shut down. Now unplug your charger first. Then plug in your laptop battery. Okay, that's it. Now plug in your charger as well. Now try to turn it on your laptop. Try it again. And you can see a Dell logo. Press F1 key to continue. And that's it. So you can use this simple trick to fix your laptop. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.